and then the real drama and action starts.
करेक्ट एक सेंटेंस जो आपके घर को डिस्क्राइब करता है इमीडिएटली आफ्टर प्ले टाइम.
Tsunami. It's a tsunami.
Correct.
Mummies rock.
Yes, we do. Welcome to our podcast, Mammy Poco presents Beyond the Bump. Today, we're joined by someone who's not just known for her effortless charm and screen presence, but also for how gracefully she balances it all. The lights, the lens, and the little one at home. She's a beloved face, a familiar voice, and Mammy Poco mom, जो कि हमारे ब्रांड के साथ काफ़ी टाइम से जुड़ी हुई है. Despite her busy schedule, she continues to inspire so many working moms by showing that you can nurture both your dreams and your baby with equal love. She's always been very reserved about her personal life, but aaj she's going to let us in thoda sa and tell us more about her life. We're delighted to welcome the unfiltered Soumya Tandon.
Thank you, Parul. Thank you. And it's lovely to know that you're not just a mother of one like me, but a mother of four.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. I think I've
Good,
been-
good to speak to a mom of four.
Yeah, thank you.
It really actually feels at home because I have been a part of the Mammy Poco family for a while.
Yes.
And I love the title. It says Beyond, the Bump. It's actually so true because actually the drama and the story starts when a new life is in your arms.
Correct.
Because pregnancy is just a warm-up.
Yes.
And then the real drama and action starts.
Correct.
Yeah, so from the diaper years to the years when they start actually going to the school, that's where all the drama, melodrama, comedy,
Correct.
and tragedy is there.
Everything happens all together. So,
Yes.
Soumya, tell me, I got to know that you actually continued your career
Yeah.
from pregnancy to post-pregnancy. And how did you manage to balance it all?
So I'm not going to sound like a super mom. I definitely had my bad days. I definitely had a lot of challenging moments because I got to know that I was pregnant while I was shooting.
Oh, wow.
So for almost till the 7th month, I continued shooting. And it was just, like how we used to shoot till only the mid shots so that
Correct.
my little bump is
Bump
not
is-
shown because I had not announced it to the world. And even if I had announced it to the world, actually it was not going along with the character of the show. Though my producers did offer me, should we introduce the character to be pregnant? And I said, no. Let it be the way it is. I'm going to take a little break. And so the last months of my going to the shoot, actually, I was doing double shifts because I was shooting for that gap
Wow.
when I will be delivering. It was actually very overwhelming because you're going through so much, and I had a very, very tough pregnancy. But, like they say, there have to be some mammies in your life, like my
Correct.
producer, my
Yes.
co-actor, my family, my staff, all of them came together to take care of me. And I felt that it couldn't be possible without those mammies, without that support.
true,
We couldn't
correct.
be doing
Yes.
it. So we definitely can't do it all by ourselves.
That is true. I think having that little community that we form and
Yeah.
automatically you start connecting, right? Like when you're, you see another pregnant woman and you see her journey and then you go through this whole thing in your head as to how is everything going to unfold and everything. But thank you so much for being so honest. बताइए कि how did you raise Miran throughout your journey while you were working as a mom?
तो जब मिरान 3 मंथ्स का था तब मैंने अपने शूट पर वापस चली गई. और आपको पता है कि it's not like any other working mom. When you are in the industry of glamour, when you are in the entertainment industry, and specifically my particular character was very glamorous. So I had to be in shape, I had to look my perfect self, and I had to report on the set. And I also wanted to breastfeed. I did not want to give up on breastfeeding. So it was terrifyingly tough.
I can imagine.
और मैंने अपने प्रोड्यूसर से रिक्वेस्ट की कि कुछ वक्त तक, जब तक मैं ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कर रही हूँ, उस वक्त तक मेरे घर के पास शूट किया जाए और मैं अपने बेबी को सेट पर लेकर जा सकूँ. तो उन्होंने भी सपोर्ट किया, लाइक आई सेड, दे वर माय मैमीज़.
Yes.
और इसके अलावा आई वुड से दैट uninterrupted sleep was very important for me because I had to look my picture perfect.
Yes.
Not only that, I had to have an uninterrupted sleep then get up in the morning, go to my Pilates class so that I am, exercising, then report on the set, also take my baby who I was breastfeeding. So all of that, was only possible because I genuinely feel there were a lot of things which helped me. Of
Correct.
course, my own community of mammies,
जी.
my baby, um, who was relying also on a great diaper, because that diaper was very important, that he was not getting irritated and
Correct.
waking up in the night.
Yes.
The only times he actually woke up was because he needed to be breastfed, but not because of the fact that the diaper was, heavy or there was leakage. So that was like, like my really strong armor.
Yeah.
I'd rather call it my best friend,
Yeah.
which let me and my child sleep well, and so that I could get up in the morning, do my Pilates, report on the set. So yeah, it was tough. I wouldn't say it was easy. I really want to salute every single working mom. It's
Yes.
very hard. I all my respect to you as well, because
Thank
you
you.
are a mother of 4, and I don't know how you did it 4 times. But I feel every mother in her own right is a
Yes.
soldier,
Correct.
and who's supported by her mammies, and it cannot be possible unless we have the support of our husband, our, the house that we are in, and
Correct.
also the workplace. Like they say, you need a village to raise a kid.
Yes, you
so
do.
I would say that we need mammies around us.
Yes.
So please support us.
Yes. I think it's so true. We do need a village, an army, whatever you want to call it. And honestly speaking, I don't know how I did it 4 times over.
Oof,
But
oof.
your whole topic of how you said uninterrupted sleep, I think that is something that was so important. Because today, हम बोल तो देते हैं कि, when the baby sleeps, you also sleep. But that's not like easy to always do, because there's so many things going on here. Because you want to put your child to sleep, but then you want to do 100 other things.
Yeah.
And but just catching that right amount of sleep, but having that uninterrupted sleep for both you and the baby is so important. And like you correctly said about, firstly, though we always check if the baby's hungry once the baby wakes up, and then making sure that the diaper is not like too tight or leaking or anything of that sort. But what else has made a difference in your entire journey, or any particular points that you think that you've experienced or you want to give out as an advice?
मैं क्या एडवाइस देना चाहूँगी यंग मदर्स को? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बीइंग मदर्स हम बच्चों के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं और बहुत सारी आसपास की चीज़ों के बारे में फोकस करते हैं, लेकिन अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं.
Correct.
और हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि अगर हम स्ट्रांग नहीं रहेंगे तो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू बी स्ट्रांग मदर्स
So
एनी
true.
वे. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट वी शुड फोकस ऑन आवर ईटिंग हैबिट्स एज मच एज वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द फूड ऑफ एवरीबडी इन द हाउस. बहुत ज़रूरी है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि डिलीवरी के बाद हमें सब इनकरेज करते हैं, अरे कुछ भी खाओ, मज़े में
Correct.
खाओ. ऐसा नहीं है. अच्छे से खाओ, लेकिन इट्स ऑलवेज क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी. आई फील यू शुड हैव अ बैलेंस डाइट. आपकी डाइट में प्रोटीन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई एम अ वेजिटेरियन. ये स्ट्रगल मुझे हमेशा रहा कि चूँकि मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ, तो हमेशा डाइट में प्रोटीन के बारे में मुझे एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान देना पड़ा. और प्रोटीन बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आपके बॉडी में प्रोटीन नहीं होगा, देन यू विल नॉट बी ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग योर चाइल्ड वेल. नॉट ओनली दैट, आपका मसल लॉस भी हो जाता है.
Correct.
हमें ऐसा लगता है कि वेट ट्रेनिंग या एक्सरसाइजिंग मदर्स के लिए नहीं है, क्योंकि वो तो रेस्ट कर रही हैं. ऑफ कोर्स with the disclaimer that you should be allowed by your doctor, and you should be in, like a normal condition where you're allowed to exercise, because there could be some complications with some
Correct.
women.
Yes.
Having said that, मुझे मेरा सी सेक्शन हुआ था, और मुझे डॉक्टर ने कहा कि आप फ्लोर पर ही लेटकर धीरे धीरे अपने लेग्स से अपनी
Correct.
कोर स्ट्रेंथनिंग एक्सरसाइजेस कीजिए. क्योंकि नहीं करने की वजह से जब हमारी मसल्स लूज़ हो जाती हैं, एक्सरसाइज नहीं होती है, तो बैक एक होता है. कई बार हम ब्रेस्ट फीड करते हैं तो हमारा शोल्डर जो है उस पर प्रेशर आता है. तो सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं, अभी मैं अपने बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी, बट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट माई चाइल्ड. नो, इवन फॉर योर चाइल्ड यू नीड टू बी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मदर, सो दैट यू कैन
Correct.
लिफ्ट योर चाइल्ड way till way later. So I genuinely insist, and I keep on saying that even on my pages, that it's very important for women to lift weight.
Yes.
With the disclaimer that all of you should be having a condition where you're allowed to
Allowed
weight
to,
train.
correct.
But I recommend it highly.
You've taken me back to so many memories while you were describing everything, right? From the working out to feeding and everything. And I was like, I was just getting these flashbacks right now
I know.
with all my kids. But, right, like you correctly said, it is so important. I think self care, स्पेशली इंडिया में पता नहीं क्यों यहाँ पे मदर्स भूल जाते हैं कि खाली बच्चों को देखना है. यू नो देयर सो मच बिहाइंड लुकिंग आफ्टर योर सेल्फ. लाइक अ हैप्पी हेल्दी मॉम मेक्स अ हैप्पी हेल्दी बेबी.
So true.
And right from exercising to postpartum to, you know, just this little self care. And khana bhi, you know, we always say, oh, double khao, double khao. You don't have to eat double. You just have to eat enough, because I know from my first pregnancy to my fourth pregnancy, I had put on so much weight the first time versus the last time round, because I didn't have that community. I didn't have those people. Tabhi internet bhi nahi tha. Like it was, you know, I had that app. I don't remember what app it was, but that's what I focused on, and just listened to my doctor, and then obviously all society ki aunties which gave you all the advice, you know.
Yeah.
But you don't have to eat for 2, you eat for half. And I think that like fits well with the baby.
Sure.
But tell me, what was your support, and like what help did you have around at home from your husband, from your mom, or anyone who was at home? What was that like?
Yeah, I had lot of support, or I should say I had a lot of mammies in my life. My mother lives with me. My husband, of course, keeps very busy, but if there are some important nights, he would sleep with the baby. He would do the diaper changing as well.
So nice.
But I would say that little things, like you know, sometimes even the breast pump machine would give me a little freedom to go to a parlor.
Correct.
The right diaper, I insist, the right diaper, the uninterrupted sleep, the diaper which doesn't give you the feeling of heaviness and which doesn't leak, which will make your child, you know, sleep well, is something which is, you know, a huge support for you in your life. There are a lot of people who will tell you, no, don't put the diapers on for so long, you know, let them be open,
I
which is
know.
also true,
Yeah.
which is also good. You can do that for a while, but genuinely a very good diaper, which can absorb you know, the dampness for a long period of time, can genuinely be your best friend, and that really helped me.
Yeah, I think that helped me too, because initially when I started my diaper journey, it was I was told that do not use the diaper, especially in the nights, because you'll fall asleep and you won't even know if the baby, like, you know, does potty or wee wee or whatever, and it gets heavy. They'll just sleep through the night. They won't wake up for a feed. But I think all these things were completely off. Like when after my experiences, and when I started using the diaper in the night, I was like, आप कहाँ थे इतने टाइम से, you know? Like I was
जी.
just like wondering that why was I told not to use the diaper? And now with, I feel like the technology coming out with different kinds of diapers and what each one has their own benefits, I think that gives an entire different perspective in just daily operations for a mother, you know? It just changes the entire game.
और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारी मम्मीज़ ये कहती हैं कि अरे डायपर में अनकंफर्टेबल है, लेकिन वो ये रियलाइज़ नहीं करती कि जैसे आपका बच्चा बढ़ता है, उसके कपड़े आप उसके साइज़ के हिसाब से ख़रीदते हैं, उसी के हिसाब से आपको डायपर का साइज़ भी बदलते रहना पड़ता है. तो कई बार मैंने मम्मियों को ये गलती करते हुए भी देखा है कि वो डायपर को बेबी के साइज़ के हिसाब से नहीं चूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो कई बार अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाता है बच्चों को पहनने में. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द अदर थिंग इज़ कि जो डायपर है वो आपकी बेबी की सेंसिटिव स्किन के लिए अच्छी है या नहीं है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट आई थिंक चूजिंग द राइट डायपर इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट.
So, Soumya, there's been a lot of conversation around the diaper, and you have been associated with Mammy Poco Pants for quite some time now. How has your journey been?
So though my child doesn't wear diapers anymore, but whenever I see young mothers around and whenever I see my friends who are getting pregnant, I always tell them and recommend that it's very important to choose the right diaper brand.
Correct.
और Mammy Poco Pants All Night Absorb Diaper की ये खासियत है कि उनके डायपर में कोकोनट एक्सट्रैक्ट है.
Wow.
तो हालांकि जो उनकी क्रिस क्रॉस टेक्नोलॉजी है उससे आप आपका जो बेबी है उसको ड्राई लगेगा बहुत वक्त तक, it actually says that they absorb up to 12 hours. So
Wow.
it has the capacity to make the baby feel dry for 12 hours. But we have also experienced as mothers, as you would also reiterate, is that sometimes the baby skin becomes very sensitive
Correct.
because of using diapers so
Yes,
many times. So this coconut extract in the diaper is actually a game changer for me.
Wow.
Because it really helps your child through this whole diaper journey if they get sensitive skin.
Okay.
Which my child did, because I have a very sensitive skin.
I actually went through so much because 17 साल पहले हमारे ज़माने में, if I want to say it, that we didn't have this
Right.
technology, right?
Yeah.
Like having coconut extract. I could only dream of it that time. And I remember when my babies would get a rash, I would use coconut oil.
Yeah.
Because coconut oil is actually the best thing you can use on a rash.
So true.
But I didn't know, like, I would apply coconut oil and then I would apply the diaper, not knowing ki I'm, like, today we have
Yeah.
a product that is with a coconut extract, and that is like so brilliant.
Yeah,
as
so
technology.
actually I would then, this is something that I'd like to congratulate the brand for.
Correct.
Because they took this whole knowledge of how a coconut oil really helps the baby get, get a soothing effect on the
Yes,
sensitive
yes.
skin. That they took all this feedback from the mothers and the knowledge that is coming from generations,
Correct.
and they put this particular element of adding this coconut
Brilliant.
extract in the diaper,
Yeah.
which has really done wonders.
Yeah, it has.
So now I can give you the answer that the reason why I'm still associating with the brand is that I
Yeah.
really appreciate them being really pioneers
Yeah.
in the diaper brand,
Yeah.
and how they have solved these small problems with new
Correct.
technology.
And I think they've just made life easier, like
Yes.
for all moms and mammies who are working and trying to balance everything. But talking about balance, what was easier or what was tougher for you? The daytime job or the nighttime when you had to shoot? Or was it looking after the baby and handling all the diaper changes in the night?
Everything is tough.
I know.
But for me, I think the toughest was, the night, because I genuinely wanted to sleep, because I wanted to get up early for my shift and look good. So there have been days when I have not looked my best, and I have really struggled through them. But yes, I would say that the whole support system around everything, your food, your mammies around, your diaper, your own discipline, all of it. So I mean, I'd also say I should give a little pat to myself also to be able to do
Yes.
that, so which we mothers also don't do that.
Yeah.
Right? We always give all the credit to everybody
everybody
around, but
else,
we don't
huh?
give credit to ourselves. So I
Ourselves.
think, please, credit is due.
Yes, always. Soumya, what has been the biggest support you've had around you?
I would say sisterhood. I think this whole community of mothers, the friends that are around, the people who are themselves, the mothers who are themselves going through pregnancy and to bring up a new life in this world.
Correct.
This community, this group of mothers, that really, really is our strength and support. I think we do not talk about it so much.
So much, yeah.
And that is a very interesting thing which this brand Mammy Poco Pants has also inculcated. If you go on their website or if you see their ads, there is this whole WhatsApp community which they
Yes.
have started of mothers where they will give you update about how your pregnancy is going to be through years. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, pregnancy के बाद वो ये भी बताते हैं कि अब आपका बच्चा जो है वो क्रॉल करेगा, अब बच्चा जो है वो खाएगा, या अब आप उसको इस तरह से वीन ऑफ कर सकते हैं
Yes,
लिक्विड फूड से.
yes.
तो ये सारी अपडेट्स, ये हमारी जो कम्युनिटी है जहाँ हम आपस में बात कर सकते हैं अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में, या हम हेल्प ले सकते हैं
Correct.
इस पूरी जर्नी को लेकर.
Yeah.
I think this community, look, like I said earlier, that we need a whole village to bring up a
Yes.
child. This whole community that we have, I think, is what takes us through.
True. I think just it's brought the world closer.
Yeah.
It's brought people closer. It's brought your entire journey of parenthood together.
Yeah.
And I feel this is such a beautiful platform that they've started. So,
yeah, it's like
yeah.
the Mammy Poco Pants Mummy Network.
Yeah. Nice. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you, Soumya, for having this chat with us. But we now have a fun segment that is going to happen.
Ooh, looking forward.
Okay. Soumya, so we have a fun segment now,
Okay.
and we are going to play a little game, and you're going to tell us, have I or have I not?
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions.
All right.
Ready?
Ready.
मैंने 20 मिनट लगातार बेबी प्रूफिंग टैक्टिक्स रिसर्च किए हैं.
यार मैंने 20 मिनट नहीं, मैंने कई बार 20
घंटों.
दिन रिसर्च किए हैं
हाँ.
कि पूरे घर को कैसे बेबी प्रूफ बनाया जाए. उसके लिए वो कोने में फर्नीचर के ऊपर चिपकाने
हाँ,
वाली
हाँ.
चीज़ें कहाँ कहाँ से रिसर्च किए हैं.
मैंने अपने पार्टनर के आने के टाइम के हिसाब से स्ट्रेटेजिक नैप टाइम प्लान किया है ताकि मेरी नींद मैक्सिमाइज हो सके.
मेरे ख्याल से मदर्स ना सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट होती हैं.
हाँ जी.
वो एक्चुअली सबसे बड़ी.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि उनको एग्जैक्टली पता है कि मैं इतना सो जाऊंगी तो मैं पार्लर चली जाऊंगी, मैं इतना सो जाऊंगी तो मैं अपनी फ्रेंड से बात कर लूंगी, मैं इतना सो जाऊंगी तो मैं गाड़ी में ये कर लूंगी. तो आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स लाइक आई यू नो एंड द बेस्ट टाइम एंड द मोस्ट the only time when I have loved Mumbai traffic is when I was a mother, क्योंकि वो उतने ही दौरान में मुझे मेरी नींद मिलती थी.
कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैंने एक मेसी टेकआउट खाते हुए बेबी बिब को सक्सेसफुली अपना नैपकिन बनाया है. नेक्स्ट, मैंने डायपर शॉपिंग को रिटेल थेरेपी की तरह यूज़ किया है ताकि प्रोडक्टिव फील कर सकूं.
बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है मैंने. डायपर शॉपिंग, बच्चों की सारे सामान की शॉपिंग, छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की शॉपिंग. और मुझे मेरे हस्बैंड कहते थे कि यार ये तुम पागल हो गई हो कि एक बच्चे के लिए सामान ला रही हो कि 100 बच्चों के लिए ला रही हो.
आई नो, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू. हाँ जी. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
दैट्स जस्ट फॉर फील गुड.
या ट्रू. मैंने अपने बेटे के स्नैक्स खा लिए हैं क्योंकि मेरे पास अपने लंच टाइम का वक्त नहीं था.
Okay, I have not, because I left sugar honey jaggery 6 years ago.
Wow.
So I don't take anything which has sugar. बच्चों के खाने में sugar होता है, so no.
I should do. I have. मैंने खाई है.
I know.
So,
But
okay.
though I love it, it's very yum.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for that segment. I'll take that back.
Yes, thank you.
We have now. Okay. We have now a rapid fire. Mom life versus actor life.
Okay.
Okay. देखते हैं how fast you can be.
Okay.
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 Get set, go. A complex film script or the instruction manual for your child's newest toy.
Oh God, instruction manual. Especially when you have to set up their beds and chairs. Oh my God.
Don't ask. I don't know how many I've constructed together.
Yeah.
एक household item you wish you had a mute button.
Definitely doorbells, because when you're trying to sleep or when you're trying to do something uninterrupted, वो घंटी बजती रहती है.
Correct. Okay. Let's talk real now. Perfect lighting on set या फिर एक quiet undisturbed cup of chai.
Can I change it a bit? A quiet, undisturbed sleep in the night is the most precious for a mother.
आपका secret mom superpower that nobody notices.
My mammy is around.
Yeah, nice. Okay. एक sentence जो आपके घर को describe करता है immediately after playtime.
Tsunami. It's a tsunami.
Correct. Okay. The best mom hack you wish you knew 5 years ago.
You're never going to be perfect, so just chill.
Just chill, moms. What's your biggest guilty mom pleasure जब आपका सारा घर is finally quiet?
कि मैं अपने लिए कुछ अच्छा सा ऑर्डर करके शांति से खा लूं, क्योंकि ऐसा होता था जब आप खाने बैठते हो उसी समय बच्चे को बाथरूम भी जाना होता है, उसको भूख भी लगी होती है, उसको ब्रेस्ट फीड भी करना होता है, तो
सच्ची।
एक प्रॉपर मील मम्मी नहीं खा सकती है. सो डेफिनेटली
Okay. Sleep, coffee, or 5 minutes of absolute silence?
फॉर मी स्लीप.
So, Soumya, we just finished a fun segment, but I have one more thing to do with you. I'm
Okay.
just going to pull out something from my magic box.
Magic box.
Yes.
Okay, let's.
I have 3 pictures here with me.
Okay.
I want you to tell me your memory, your favorite thing about this moment. And yeah, just tell us more. You got this.
Wow. Okay. You know this picture? In this picture, I am 7 months pregnant, still shooting.
Wow.
और मेरी प्रेगनेंसी बहुत मुश्किल थी पारुल, बहुत मुश्किल। मतलब मुझे याद है मैं एक सीन करती थी और अपने रूम में आकर मेकअप वैन में आकर मैं वॉमिट करती थी।
Oh
एक
my
सीन करती थी
God.
और कभी कभी सीन के बीच में मैं सीन रुकवा कर जाती थी, टू गो वॉमिट एंड कम बैक
Come
एंड
back.
शूट।
Oh my God.
द ओनली थिंग विच मेड मी सर्वाइव वॉज योगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ
Wow.
योगा के दौरान ही मुझे वो कामनेस मिलती थी और मैं एक्सरसाइज करती थी तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा दिन कट जाएगा। सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली थैंक्स टू माय योगा टीचर। आई डिड सूर्य नमस्कार till my 8th month,
Wow, that is
and
amazing.
this breathing exercise and the yoga actually made me get through my very tough
I
pregnancy.
completely agree with
So I
you.
genuinely always keep telling the women, if you are allowed, please exercise. Exercise is magical.
Correct. I think not only exercise, but even basic yoga, pranayam, breathing. I feel that also changed my life because I, leaving my first pregnancy, but my second pregnancy onwards, I've had such a transformation just doing basic exercises and yoga and breath
Totally.
work. So, yeah. Next picture. I love this picture. Oh my God. I want this again.
Oh, yes. This is my first photo shoot with my little
It's
baby.
beautiful.
I love this picture myself. और हुआ क्या था उस वक्त, चूँकि मैंने 7th मंथ के बाद मैंने शूटिंग बंद कर दी थी क्योंकि आई वॉज़ वेरी बिग। तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ तो मैं मज़ेदार करूँ, एंड आई गॉन टू माई सिस्टर्स प्लेस इन लंदन। तो मैंने अपने सारे बाल काट दिए थे, लाइक आई चॉप्ड ऑफ माई हेयर बिकॉज आई डेंट हैव टू रिपोर्ट ऑन द सेट एंड बी द
Correct.
कैरेक्टर,
Yeah,
राइट?
yeah.
So I chopped off my head and then I just decided जब तक मैं शूट पे नहीं जाती हूँ तब तक I'm going to keep this hairstyle. So I mean, I just love this whole look of mine, and oh my God, I can't believe my
So,
baby is out of the
so
diaper
I know, है ना?
years. He's become
Yeah.
big. Oh God, please enjoy every bit of your motherhood because they really grow fast.
सच्ची, I know, whenever I see little babies, I'm like, मुझे ये वापस चाहिए. And everyone's like, मत कर, please. You already have 4, stop.
Please, 4 is
Stop.
enough.
Yeah, I know. I mean, today I feel like I'm done. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, one last picture. This one.
Oh yes, this is immediately after my delivery. मतलब जब मेरा this was in front of Breach Candy.
Okay.
The media was there, and this was the first time I came out with the baby after 3 days of delivery.
Wow.
So this is very iconic. Yeah, I think I can't. I always say कि मैंने ज़िंदगी में कुछ तो अच्छा काम किया होगा, that God made me a mother.
सच्ची.
It was an unplanned child. तो मेरे ज़िंदगी का best work, best production, ladies and gentlemen, is this.
Yay! Nice. So, on that note, and your best production ever, thank you for coming to Beyond the Bump. And thank you for sharing so many wonderful memories and so many little anecdotes that you gave. And it took me back so many memories. So, thank you for being here today.
Thank you for meeting you, and imagine, look at yourself, and so wonderful you look after being a mom of
Thank
4. Goes on to show that actually mummies rock.
Yes, we do. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you, Soumya, for being with us today. On behalf of Mammy Poco Pants, we'd like to give you this little hamper.
Thank you. That's lovely. Thank you.
Mammy Poco is running a contest where one special mammy will get a beautiful message from Soumya with a hamper.
Okay, so for that one lucky mammy who's going to win the contest, here's the message. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. So, this is for one special mammy that is going to win the contest. So, keep participating, keep watching to win this lovely hamper and this lovely message from Soumya. So, Soumya, for being here on the show with us today, we'd like to take back a little memory. We'd like your signature here
Okay.
for our little Poco-chan.
Of course. Yes.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Soumya, for keeping it so human and real today. और हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को आप भी मैमी पोको व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी सर्विस ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। ये था मैमी पोको प्रेजेंट्स बियॉन्ड द बम्प विद आवर मैमी सौम्या टंडन। अगले एपिसोड तक याद रखिएगा, हैप्पी बेबी, हैप्पी यू।